In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to share just a few pages from a long document, this is the fastest, cleanest way to do it. We'll use Adobe Acrobat Pro's built-in tools, and I'll point out a few tips so you keep your original file safe while creating exactly what you need. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in Acrobat Pro, since that's where the Organize Pages tools live. Next, open the PDF you want to extract pages from. You can drag the file into Acrobat or go to File, Open, and browse to it. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the window for the global bar and click All Tools. From the list that appears, choose Organize Pages. This view shows you thumbnails of every page, which makes selecting the right ones much easier. Click to select the pages you want to pull out. To pick multiple separate pages, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on a Mac as you click each thumbnail. If your pages are in a row, you can click the first page, then shift-click the last page in the range to grab them all at once. You can also use the zoom control in this view if you need a closer look at page numbers or content before you pick. With your pages selected, look at the top toolbar and click Extract. Acrobat will display a few extraction preferences so you can customize what happens next. Delete pages after extracting will remove those selected pages from the original document. Use this only if you're sure you want the source file changed. Extract pages as separate files will save each selected page as its own single-page PDF, which is handy when you need to hand off pages individually. If you leave both options unchecked, Acrobat will keep your original PDF intact and combine all the chosen pages into one new file, which is often the safest default. After you've set your preferences, click the blue Extract button to proceed. Acrobat will create the new content and open it in a fresh tab so you can review the result. Take a quick look to confirm all the right pages are there in the correct order. When you're happy, go to Save, give your new PDF a clear name, choose a destination folder, and click Save. I recommend adding something like Extracted or a date to the file name so you can tell it apart from the original later. That's it. You've successfully extracted pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro quickly and confidently while keeping your original document under control.